Introduction. Ducati has once again redefined the concept of a cruiser with the all-new 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4. Combining the raw power of a sport bike with the comfort and presence of a cruiser, the XDiavel V4 is an evolution that brings more performance, cutting-edge technology, and stunning Italian design. It's a motorcycle built for those who crave both speed and style, offering an exhilarating ride unlike anything else on the road. Design and styling, a bold, muscular presence. Ducati has always been known for creating motorcycles that are as beautiful as they are powerful, and the 2025 XDiavel V4 is no exception. It retains the aggressive, low-slung stance of its predecessor, but with sharper, more refined lines. The signature single-sided swinger showcases the massive rear tire, emphasizing the bike's muscular stance. The full LED lighting system, including the distinctive DRL headlight, adds a futuristic touch while ensuring excellent visibility. Ducati has also introduced new color schemes and premium finishes, giving the XDiavel V4 an even more commanding road presence. Engine and performance, V4 power unleashed. At the heart of the new XDiavel is Ducati's incredible 1158cc Gran Turismo V4 engine. This liquid-cooled powerhouse produces approximately 170 horsepower and 120 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful cruisers ever built. Unlike traditional cruisers which rely on low-end torque, the V4 engine delivers thrilling acceleration throughout the rev range, ensuring an exhilarating ride whether cruising through city streets or blasting down the highway. Ducati's seamless quick shifter enhances the riding experience, allowing for smooth gear changes without using the clutch. Despite its massive power, the V4 engine is engineered for efficiency, featuring improved fuel consumption and extended service intervals. Chassis and handling, a cruiser that corners. One of the biggest advantages of the XDiavel V4 over traditional cruisers is its exceptional handling. Ducati has refined the chassis, making it lighter and more agile. The bike features an aluminum monocoque frame that provides excellent stability while reducing overall weight. The suspension system consists of fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, allowing riders to fine-tune the bike's handling for comfort or aggressive performance. The forward-set foot controls, low seat height, and wide handlebars create a relaxed yet commanding riding position, ensuring long-distance comfort without sacrificing control. Technology and electronics, smarter than ever. Ducati has packed the 2025 XDiavel V4 with state-of-the-art electronics to enhance both safety and performance. The bike features a 6-axis IMU that governs advanced rider aids such as cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control. These systems work together to provide maximum control, whether